Hello children, how are you? Today I am going to teach you English Reader Workbook Chapter 4 Aladdin and the Magic Lamp and Poem 4 Don't Throw the Seeds Away. Page number 18, 19, 20 and 21. Page number 18, Chapter 4 Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Play with words. Question number A. Add er, y and full to these words to make new words. Children, in this question, here are some words given to you. So, in these words, you have to add er, y and full and make new words. Okay. First, bright. So, we add er to this word. Brighter. brighter, brighter. Second, meaningful. We add full to this. Meaningful. 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 Third, call. We add er to this. Caller. 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 Fourth, cloud. We add y to it. Cloudy. 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 Fifth, doubt. We add full to it. Doubtful. 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 Sixth, wonder. We add full to it. Wonderful. 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 Now question number B. Add the suffix y to these words and write them on the blanks. You will need to make some changes in the spellings. Children, in this question, you will add y to the given words, and if you need it, then you will make some changes. Okay. First, fun. Funny. 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 Juice. Juicy. 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 Third, scare. Scary. 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 Fourth, ice. Icy. icy. Fifth, mud. Muddy. 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 Sixth, shade. Shady. 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 Question number C. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. Use the meanings as clues. In this question, some clues are given. So with the help of these clues, you have to find these words and you have to complete these words. First is already given to you. Willing to take risk. Answer is daring. Second, not very wide. Answer is narrow. 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 Third, the act of giving and taking. Exchange. 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 The act of giving and taking called exchange. Fourth, to fool someone. Trick. 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 To fool someone called trick. Fifth, someone who practices magic. Magician. magician. Someone who practices magic called magician. Okay. Now grammar fun. Question number D. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns from the box. Here are some pronouns given to you in this box. So with the help of these pronouns, you have to fill these blanks. Children, you already know what are pronouns. The words which are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. If the noun is girl, then we use she. If the given noun is boy, then we use he. If the given noun is more than two persons, then we use they, them. If the given noun is thing, then we use it. Okay. So first, the pond was cool. It was full of fish. Pond is a place, so we use it. The pond was cool. It was full of fish. Second, is this watch mine or yours? Is this watch mine or yours? Third, who will sit next to me in the school bus? Who will sit next to me in the school bus? Fourth, the mother duck teaches the ducklings to swim. Here, ducklings are more than one, then we use they. The mother duck teaches the ducklings to swim. They learn by watching her. They learn by watching her. Fifth, I have many storybooks. I have read all of them. Here, storybooks are more than one, so we use them. I have many storybooks. I have read all of them. Question number E. Replace the underlined words with pronouns and write the words. Here are some sentences given. In these sentences, nouns are given, so you have to replace these nouns with the pronouns. Okay. First, Zakir is my friend. Zakir sits next to me in class. So Zakir is a boy, so we use he for it. Zakir is my friend. He sits next to me in class. Zakir is my friend. He sits next to me in class. Second, Hina and Varun live in Singapore. Hina and Varun often visit us. Hina and Varun are two. They are more than one, so we use they. Hina and Varun live in Singapore. They often visit us. Hina and Varun live in Singapore. They often visit us. Third, my grandmother and I went to the cinema yesterday. My grandmother and I love to watch movies. So we replace my grandmother and I with we. My grandmother and I went to the cinema yesterday. We love to watch movies. My grandmother and I went to the cinema yesterday. We love to watch movies. Fourth, have you read this book? This book is very good. Book is a thing, so we use it. Have you read this book? It is very good. Have you read this book? It is very good. Fifth, the king called his ministers. The king had important news to give his minister. Here, king is the first person. It is single, so we use he for king. And ministers are more than two, so we use them. Okay. The king called his ministers. He had important news to give them. The king called his ministers. He had important news to give them. Now, page number 20. Poem. Don't throw the seeds away. Play with words. Question number A. Write words that come to your mind when you read these words and complete this mind map. Then compare your mind map with that of a partner. Did you have any words in common? Here, in the middle box, one word is given to you. You have to think about the things related to these words. Then compare these things with your partner. Do you have any word in common? Nature. What things are related to nature? Mountain, sun, rivers, animals, trees. Again I am repeating. Mountain, rivers, animals, trees, sun. Now dream. What things are related to dreams? Birds, fairy, rainbow, ice cream, toys. Once again I am repeating. Birds, fairy, rainbow, ice cream, toys. Here in these box you will also fill any other words which is in your mind. Okay. Now question number B. Add a letter before each word to make a new word. Here are some words given. Before these words you will add a letter and make a new word with them. Okay. First, way, away. Way, away. Second, vary, every. Vary, every. Third, oil, soil. Oil, soil. Fourth, hoot, shoot. Hoot, shoot. Fifth, able, table. Able, table. Sixth, ounce, bounce. Ounce, bounce. Seventh, eight, late. Eight, late. Eighth, right, bright. Right, bright. Ninth, eel, feel. Eel, feel. 10th, rack, track. Rack, track. Now page number 21, gramophone. Circle the words that begin with a vowel sound and underline the words that begin with a consonant sound. Children, in this question, you will circle on those words which are having vowel sound and underline those words which are having consonant sounds. So circle on honest, here, elephant, index, ink, orange, honorable, her, and umbrella. Circle on all these words because they are having vowel sounds. Honorable, her, are begin with H, but they are having vowel sound, so we will circle on them. Now here, history, hood, here, university, one, hat, horse, humor, uniform, unit, untidy. Underline all these words because they are having consonant sound. Uniform, unit, these words are begin with U, but they are having sound of consonant, so we will underline these words. We will not circle these words. Okay. Question number D. Fill in the blanks with A or N. In this question, you have to fill these blanks with A or N. Where word is start with vowel or having vowel sound, then we will use N here. Okay. A hospital. Second, a computer. Third, a book. Fourth, an emperor because it is having vowel sound. An emperor. Fifth, a plateau. Sixth, a fisherman. Seventh, an inch. Eighth, an ocean. We use an here because they both are having vowels. 9, a hotel. 10th, an example. 11th, an army. 12th, a family. Now question number E. Fill in the blanks with A or N. First, Raman's father is an engineer. Raman's father is an engineer. Because engineer is begin with E, so we use N here. Second, an ostrich lays very big eggs. An ostrich lays very big eggs. Ostrich is also begin with O and O is vowel, so we use N here. Third, I have a German friend. German is begin with consonant, so we use A. I have a German friend. Fourth, France is a country in Europe. France is a country in Europe. Fifth, we visited an art exhibition in Kolkata. We visited an art exhibition in Kolkata. Art is begin with A, so we use an. We visited an art exhibition in Kolkata. Sixth, Neha is an excellent cricket player. Excellent is begin with vowel, so we use an. Neha is an excellent cricket player. I went to the market in an auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw is begin with A and A is vowel. I went to the market in an auto rickshaw. Eighth, Gayatri has to wear a uniform to office. Here uniform is begin with vowel U, but we use A here because uniform, it is having a sound of U, Y-O, U, and Y is a consonant, so we use A here. Gayatri has to wear a uniform to office. Ninth, Tanvi found a coin on the floor. Tanvi found a coin on the floor. 10th, my mother and I are going to a book fair this afternoon. My mother and I are going to a book fair this afternoon. Now children, fill all these exercises in your workbook. Okay? Thank you children for listening and watching. Have a nice day. Be safe.